If you are leading finance transformation, here's the uncomfortable truth. In CA firms, AI without human oversight does not create efficiency. It creates faster mistakes. I am not anti-automation. I am saying the real value comes when AI handles speed and pattern recognition, while qualified professionals control judgment, context, and accountability. For CFOs and finance leaders working with CA firms, this matters because the output does not stop at a draft. It informs filings, advice, audits, reconciliations, and decisions with real consequences. Human in the loop simply means a person is deliberately placed inside the workflow where risk, ambiguity, or materiality is high. Not to slow things down, but to validate what must be right. In a CA firm, there are obvious places where AI can help. Document classification, data extraction, first draft work papers, variance flags, policy lookup, and client query triage are all fair game. But those tasks sit inside larger professional workflows. The moment an extracted number looks unusual, a tax position is uncertain, or supporting evidence is incomplete, a human needs to step in. This is the part many teams miss. AI can sound confident even when the context is incomplete. In a CA environment, confidence is not competence, and fluent output is not professional sign-off. Think about invoice and expense processing. AI can read, categorize, and suggest entries at scale. But edge cases like duplicate invoices, tax code mismatches, or missing approvals still need human review. Or take month-end close support. AI can summarize variances and identify anomalies, which is useful. But deciding whether a variance is timing, error, policy, or business reality is still a human judgment call. The same pattern applies in tax and compliance workflows inside CA firms. AI can assemble data, map forms, and draft responses. A qualified reviewer still has to validate interpretation, completeness, and exposure. If you remove the human checkpoint, you may get a shorter cycle time at first, but rework, exception handling, and trust erosion usually bring that gain back to zero or worse. So what should the human actually do in the loop? 3 things: review exceptions, approve material outputs, and continuously teach the system by correcting mistakes and refining rules. This is where leading firms get leverage. They do not ask humans to review everything. They design thresholds, confidence bands, and escalation logic so expert attention goes only where it adds value. For CFOs buying or sponsoring these systems, that design choice is critical. You are not just buying automation. You are defining a control framework for how work gets done and trusted. For fintech founders and enterprise tech buyers, this is also a product question. If your workflow does not support review, override, annotation, and feedback capture, it is not enterprise-ready. And for AI practitioners, human in the loop is not a patch for bad models. It is part of the operating design. Good systems assume uncertainty and route work accordingly. Here is a practical way to think about it. Use AI for preparation, use humans for validation, and use system logs for accountability. That combination is what scales quality. If you are implementing this in a CA firm, start small. Pick one workflow, define what can be automated, define where review is mandatory, and measure both cycle time and error escape rate. The contrarian view is this: human in the loop is not evidence that AI is weak. It is evidence that your firm understands professional responsibility, client trust, and how real operational excellence works. In finance and compliance work, the goal is not maximum automation at any cost. The goal is reliable outcomes, faster delivery, and decisions you can stand behind. If you are redesigning finance or advisory workflows with AI, build the review layer first. Subscribe for more practical insights on AI, finance transformation, and what actually works in the real world.